Look at this delicious chocolate custard cake, and here's how you can make your own. Tip 250 grams of chocolate cake mix into a large bowl. Add 3 eggs, 30 milliliters of oil, 50 milliliters of milk, and blend together, either by hand or with an electric whisk like this. Much easier. Pour the mixture into a greased and lined cake tin. It should be thick and goopy like ours. Tap out the bubbles, and then bake at 180 degrees for half an hour. While it bakes, mix 30 grams of corn flour and 200 grams of sugar together in a pan, then add 200 milliliters of milk and 3 egg yolks, and whisk together over a low heat. Your mixture will start to thicken like this, while you continue to whisk. Then add 20 grams of butter and melt it in. Add 10 grams of gelatin to the mixture to complete the custard. Once your cake is baked, pour over your custard. Use a knife to smooth it across the whole top surface of the cake. Refrigerate for 2 hours. Carefully take the cake from the tin and use a large knife to cut the cake into strips. Easy does it. Then you can set them onto a cooling tray. And it's time to pour over some melted chocolate. Once all the strips are covered, put your cakes back into the fridge to chill for a while. Meanwhile, pour 250 milliliters of whipping cream into a bowl, add 20 grams of chocolate powder, and blend them together really well to make chocolate mousse. You can then pipe it delicately onto your cakes, creating really cool drop shapes like these. If you're feeling really fancy, add in some gold leaf for extra presentation points. Then, finally, you can grab a fork and enjoy.